What's up guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the rubber clutch in your Garelli Eureka Flex. It might be similar to a lot of other Garelli mopeds, but today we're going to be working on a Garelli Eureka Flex. Now it is important to note that this is a very early motor for the Garelli because as you guys can see there is a circular top end and cylinder on this. This Eureka Flex would usually have more of a pancake exhaust, but ours has a different exhaust on it. The original one that we had was just toast, so we had to put something on it just to get this bike running. With that being said, let's get right into it and replace this clutch. So obviously our first step is going to be to go ahead and remove this drain plug. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and take off this case here. Looks like it's 6 bolts, and there might even be a wire attached to it. So we'll see if we can just leave this on. Whoo, there we go. We got a lot of oil coming out now. So we're gonna go ahead and take this off. Actually, it looks like this guy is a very easy just slide right off. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and just simply remove this little ring here. And carefully pull this out. So as you guys can see, this is spring loaded, so you want to be careful of that when you're taking it out. Now all that's left to do is separate this guy here, which if you have a flathead screwdriver, it'd make it a lot easier. It kind of peels away from it. There you go. See that gap there? If you could get a flathead screwdriver under there, it'd make it a lot easier. But once you get that, you can just pretty much push this guy out. And there you go. Now we're all ready to install our new one. Do the opposite of what we did to get it off. So go ahead and tuck this in. Again, you'll see that there is a little lip here on the clutch itself that you will push this into. There you go. Nice and easy. Very easy install. As you can see, these are not lined up perfectly, so let me go ahead and realign them. There we go. Don't forget your spring. And go ahead and just reinstall that whole thing. And take note that you do have this little squared edge that does need to line up on one of these pegs here, and you'll see that there's a cutout on them and it fits in there perfectly. And there you go. You just heard that click. Make sure that it's all clipped in place and that's not going to go anywhere because that could be detrimental to your motor. Now I will say, if you've gone this far, absolutely replace this gasket, so go ahead and order one for the future. I didn't do it, but I would absolutely suggest replacing this gasket. And when you do, make sure to oil it up so when you put your cover back on, you get a good seal. So we're gonna go ahead and make sure we don't forget to reinstall our starting cable here, also known as the clutch cable, reinstalling our drain plug. Now, before we actually start putting our oil in, it's worth mentioning that that is your oil fill line, or oleo. You want it just about to where the bottom of those threads are. And there we go, guys, ever so slightly. As you guys can see, the oil is starting to drip out because it finally hit that oil level. So with that, we are going to go ahead and put our fill plug back in there. And there you guys go. That's how you replace the clutch on a Garelli Eureka Flex. Hope that this video helped, guys, and if it did, please feel free to leave a thumbs up down below, subscribe for more moped content, and as always, guys, ride safe.